Hello friends and welcome. You are with Deepak R. Khemani and this is the 2 minutes money and personal finance show. We are talking Ask Me Anything on personal finance. I had done a number of episodes on health insurance, its claims, its procedure, and I have had multiple queries from different people asking what has to be done if your claim is denied. Let's understand, when a claim is denied, it is the duty of the company or its TPA who is sending you its information that your claim has been denied. They have to tell you on what basis, which terms and conditions of the policy document, term A, term B, part 1, part 3, whatever. 1. Second, you have an option of asking the company to reopen that case, that file again. Write an email or write a letter. They are bound to open that case again, and if it finds that they cannot pay you the claim, they will write back to you saying, we opened it up but we cannot pay you the claim because of so and so reason. Next level, every insurance company has a grievance cell. You have to write to the grievance cell giving all the details of your claim. The grievance cell has to acknowledge your email or letter and then again tell you whether they are opening up the case and paying you the money or sticking to the decision of the company or its TPA of denying the claim. Next process, write a letter to the company that you will be complaining to IRDA. At this stage, most complaints get resolved. As soon as a company gets a notice from the insured saying they are complaining to IRDA, they normally open up the case, and in my experience I have found that most claims get approved over here. Finally, if this also doesn't work, then you have to take your claim to the insurance ombudsman. The insurance ombudsman is different for different zones. There is a western zone, there is a south zone, there is a north zone, there is a east zone. Find out where your city fits in which zone. Complain to the ombudsman. There is a long waiting list of many complainants waiting to be heard by the ombudsman. That doesn't take away from the fact that you should complain. Complain to the ombudsman. You will receive a reply to appear on a date which is given to you. Go with all the facts. Again, from my experience, personal, and from what I have had from other people, most complaints going to the ombudsman are returned in favor of the insured, the person who's complaining. The insurance company finally has to pay. Do these 3 things. 1, complain to the grievance cell. 2, write to IRDA, and if it doesn't work, complain to the ombudsman. 99% your job will get done. We will talk more about this and other things in the next episode. Stay tuned.